You were able to distinguish posterior from anterior. So this is pretty much the way you want to know. Everything from this point back is posterior. Everything from this point front is anterior, okay?
Okay.
And all this would be lateral. So now I'll just start naming things. So the posterior funiculi is all of this white portion, okay? So individually you can't really point at it unless he points it like right here.
Okay.
Okay? And then the lateral funiculi will be all of this white portion. Okay? And then the anterior funiculi will be all this white portion. Okay? And then the white commissure, I hate these stickers. They're not even numbered. They're stupid. Okay, so this white portion right here we call it the white commissure. Okay?
Okay.
I don't even understand this numbering method. And then the lateral horn is going to be this portion right here. This will be the lateral horn right here. Okay, so that makes this anterior horn, and that makes this posterior horn. Okay?
Okay.
And then the gray commissure is right here. So this portion that sticks off right here. See how this is a white commissure, and then this would be the gray commissure. Like, if this was raised, it would be this portion.
Okay.
Okay? And then the central canal, obviously, is this little middle hole. This hole in the middle.
Okay.
Central canal. And posterior median sulcus. This is posterior. Median sulcus will be this where all these stupid stickers are stuck to. This is the posterior median sulcus, or you call it posterior medial septum, whichever one you prefer.
Okay.
And then the intermediate sulcus, this is the intermediate sulcus right here, and this sulcus right here is called the posterolateral sulcus. So one word, posterolateral sulcus, intermediate sulcus, and then posterior median sulcus.
Okay. So the sulcuses are pretty much these little wedges then,
Yes, these little indentations in the spinal cord.
Okay.
And then you have the anterior median fissure, because it's much bigger, so we call it a fissure. So this is the anterior median fissure, and then this one right here with this crack, you'll call the anterolateral sulcus. There's no there's no intermediate for anterior, just posterior.
Okay.
And then you'll have the posterior rootlets right here. So that makes these anterior rootlets, and they're also down here. Anterior rootlets. There was supposed to be posterior rootlets. And then the dorsal root ganglion, which is this portion, this big fat thing right here.
Mm-hmm.
We call it the dorsal root ganglion. And then, gosh, these are terrible. They're not even numbered correctly.
They're not?
No. The ones up here weren't.
That was for the newer model.
Yeah, probably. I mean, this one. So these numbers were stupid. Okay, and then the anterior root is this portion right here. So this is the anterior. Oh, I lied. This is the anterior root, and this would be the posterior root. Okay? And then the anterior ramus, which is what I thought I was reading. This is the anterior ramus, and this one right here is the posterior ramus.
Just this little one?
Yes.
Okay.
So, and this is actually, if it was correct, this would be split in half. So, of course, that would make sense that this is anterior. You know, and then this would be posterior ramus. Rami communicantes are these two little things right here. Oh, and then this is the denticulate ligament. Holds the spinal cord in place. This right here is the dura mater, the arachnoid mater, the subarachnoid space, and then the pia mater.
So the space is just right here on top, like the little border?
Yes.
Okay.
This is called the trunk of something. Yeah, the trunk of spinal nerve is right here. Trunk of spinal nerve.
So when they both meet, that's the trunk?
Yes, where these both meet, that's the trunk. I'm trying to think if I missed anything. No, I didn't miss anything. Yeah, that's it.